Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to allow camera access on WhatsApp. Keeping your app permissions up to date is crucial for a smooth user experience. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and selecting the gear icon. Next, navigate to Applications and search for the WhatsApp application. Once you've located it, tap on it to open up the app settings. Now, select permissions from the list of options. Here, you'll want to make sure that the camera permission is enabled. This allows WhatsApp to access your device's camera for features like sending photos or videos. If the camera permission is not enabled, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. You may be prompted to confirm the change, so go ahead and allow the permission. Finally, restart the WhatsApp application to ensure that the changes take effect. You can do this by closing the app completely and then reopening it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily allow camera access on WhatsApp. Remember to regularly check and update your app permissions for a seamless user experience. Thanks for watching.